Okay, where we are finding the square root. Whether everyone taken screenshot, boys and girls give response.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good ma. So before coming to the next class, you read this formula until you get this ma. Okay, you read it 4 times, 5 times. Okay, so x plus iy is equal to plus or minus square root of a square plus b square plus a by 2. This is very important for us. This is very important ma. X plus iy equal to plus or minus square root of root a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I into the same thing ma. The same term except change in the minus. Here plus a, here minus a. When this case arises, if b is greater than 0. If b is less than 0, the same formula, instead of plus, here we have to take minus. That's all. So, shall we solve one problem? Is it clear to everyone? Boys and girls?
Yes, madam.
Okay, good, good. Vakya Naik, Yamini. Okay, Ra. So, let us solve one problem, and I will close this session after solving one problem of square root of z. Let me take another board. My system is much slower than me. It is unable to run with me. Okay, let me take some problems. Find the square root of. Okay, is it visible to you, ma? Manoj, is it visible to you?
Yes.
Okay, so root z, that is square root of root a plus ib. What it will be? Again, I am writing. Let me take out this plus or minus here. I will write plus or minus here. I missed my pen. Let me clear this canvas. Okay. Tell me, ma. What is this? Root a plus ib. Already we proved this. It will be plus or minus square root of root a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I into square root of root a square plus b square minus a by 2. So when this case, if b is greater than 0. If b is less than 0, what will be the case, ma? You can easily say this. Square root of root a square plus b square plus a by 2 will be same. Here we get minus I into square root of root a square plus b square minus a by 2. Isn't it? When this case b is less than 0. Okay, so let me solve one problem. Finding the square root of 3 plus 4i. Let me clear this canvas. 3 plus 4i. Okay. So root z, what we have to find here? We have to find square root of 3 plus 4i. What is a here? What is a here? A is equal to 3. What is b here? B is equal to 4. Next, what we have to find? We have to find square root of a square plus b square. That is equal to square root of 9 plus 16. What is square root of 9 plus 16? 5. So what will be root z? Just simply substitute here. Whether we have to take the first one or the second one. Since b is greater than 0, we have to take the first one. So root z is equal to plus or minus square root of what is root a square plus b square? 5 plus what is a? 3 by 2. Here we have to take plus I since it is greater than 0. Square root of tell me ma, 5 minus 3 by 2. So this is equal to plus or minus 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. Root 4 is 2. Plus or minus 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So plus or minus I. That's all. So square root of 3 plus 4i is nothing but plus or minus 2 plus or minus 2. Sorry, here there is no minus here. We have only plus. So square root of 3 plus 4i is plus or minus 2 plus I. In this way, we have to find the square root. See here, ma, check the first problem. A is equal to 7, B is equal to 24. So here we have to take the first formula. Minus 8 minus 6i. What is the value of B here? B is equal to minus 6. No matter what is the sign of A, we have to concentrate on the sign of B, that's all. So what is B here? Minus 6. Minus 6 is less than 0. So for the second problem, we have to take the second formula. A is equal to minus 8, B is equal to minus 6. Substitute in this, we get the square root value. Okay. I think you all are perfect up to square root of a complex number. With the next class, we will complete this second exercise 2b. Now, take the screenshot of this exercise, ma. Take the screenshot of this exercise. Finding the square root we discussed. Finding the multiplicative inverse we discussed. Solve these problems. We discuss the second one. Solve first one and third one. Fourth one also you can easily solve it. Take z is equal to x plus iy and multiply and divide with complex conjugate. You solve this. If you have any doubt, we will discuss in our next class. Z equal to 3 minus 5i. Then show that. I solved the second one here. You solve the first problem in the same manner. And we will discuss the third one here. It's a very important problem with respect to exams and competitive exams also. Show that 2 minus I, 1 minus 2i whole square and minus 2 minus 11i by 25 are conjugate to each other. That means we have to, let us take this as z and we have to prove that z conjugate is minus 2 minus 11i by 25. So what we have to take here, we have to take z is equal to 2 minus I by 1 minus 2i whole square. We have to find z conjugate. Shall we start the problem? Okay. Remember this one, ma, z, and tell me what is z. Z is equal to, okay, another new word. Durga Bhavani, you are in unmute. Mute. Tell me, ma, do you have any doubt regarding these problems? Okay. Tell me, ma, what is Z? Durga Bhavani, tell me what is Z, ma. Anyone tell me what is Z?
Z is equals to 2 minus I by 1 minus 2i whole square.
1 plus
1 minus 2i whole square.
Is it 2 minus I or 2 plus I?
1 minus 2I whole square.
Ma, what is the
1
numerator?
minus 2I whole square, ma'am.
What is the numerator?
1 minus 2I whole square. 1 minus 2I whole square.
Okay, ma. Whether numerator is correct? 2 minus I. Is it 2 minus I or 2 plus I? Okay. 2 minus I. Okay. Now you mute yourselves, ma. Okay. So whether we have I in the numerator or not, we have I. We can solve it in two ways. Let us expand first in the denominator. What is 2 minus I whole square? Expand a minus b whole square. It will be 1 plus 2I whole square minus 2 into 1 into 2. It's nothing but 4I. So that is equal to 2 minus I divided by 1. What is 2I whole square? It's nothing but minus 4. Minus 4I. So that is equal to, let us take minus, okay, 2 minus I am keeping numerator as it is. What is 1 minus 4? We get minus 3 minus 4I. Let me take minus common. So if I take minus common, we get 2 minus I divided by 3 plus 4I. We have simplified the denominator. Is it clear? Okay. So what we have to do, we should not keep I in the denominator. So what we have to do, we have to multiply and divide with, multiply and divide with a complex conjugate. Okay. So what is the complex conjugate of the denominator? 3 minus 4I. So let us multiply and divide with 3 minus 4I. So this is equal to minus of 2 minus I into 3 minus 4I divided by a plus ib into a minus ib. It's nothing but 3 square plus 4 square. That is equal to, let us expand this. 2 3s 6. 2 into 4 minus 8i. Minus I into 3 minus 3i. Minus into minus plus 4i square divided by 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. So this is equal to minus of, what is 4i square, ma? Minus 4. 6 minus 4 is nothing but 2 minus 11i divided by 25. So what we got z is equal to, minus 2 plus 11i divided by 25. 25. What is this, ma? Z. What we have to find? We have to find Z conjugate. Z conjugate means we get Z conjugate is we get minus 2 minus 11i divided by 25. So this will be Z conjugate is equal to minus of 2 plus 11i divided by 25. That's all. So in this way we show that those two are conjugate to each other. Already we got this. This is the given one. Let us check what is given. So we have taken minus common, that's all. We got the same thing, isn't it? The conjugate of 2 minus I by 1 minus 2I whole square is minus of 2 plus 11I by 25. So what we say, these two are conjugate to each other. That's all. Clear everyone? I hope you all understood the class today. You solve, how many problems I gave to you Ma to solve for my next class? Or 2 bits here, square root of 3 values and multiplicative inverse of 1 I power minus 35. You solve the first one, third one, fourth one, and you solve the first one. I already solved the second one. Okay, so this is a assignment part to you. Don't worry, you try for 2 times ma. If you are unable to get it, we will discuss in the next class, or you discuss with your respective teachers ma. Clear everyone? Now you mute yourselves ma. All of you mute yourselves.
I'll make sure everybody pays.
All of you mute yourselves. Now tell me, do you have any doubts? Have you completed
No,
your
ma'am.
work? Have you completed your work ma? Okay, that's good. Whether all your doubts cleared, or any doubt to, any question to pose ma? Do you have any doubt, Lavanya? Your speaker is on. Kirti, if you have any doubt, discuss it freely. So I think you are very much perfect in all the previous topics. So I'm going to close my session. Be ready to write online test, a very simple online test. Okay, don't worry. I have not kept any time limit there. So take your own time, solve the problems leisurely, and you can attempt the test any number of times ma. So don't remember the questions and tick those multiple choice questions ma. You solve it and you write the exam sincerely. If you are not able to get good marks in the first attempt, don't worry. You can attempt it again also. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Manoj, do you want to, Blessy, Yamini, do you want to speak something? Do you have any doubts in this? Yamini, speak out now. Have you
No,
prepared
madam.
for the test?
Yes,
No?
madam.
Okay, are you
Yes,
ready?
madam.
Are you
And
ready to write the test? Yeah, tell me ma.
ఆ ఎగ్జామ్ మేము ఎప్పుడైనా రాయొచ్చా మేడం?
At any time, you can write at any time. And try to speak in English ma. Don't worry, I'm not your English teacher to point out your wrongs. Okay, so try to speak in English. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Simple English. No need to maintain a rich vocabulary here. Okay,
Okay.
you can write that exam at any time, Amini. Your wish. Whenever
Yes,
you open the link, and the test will be ready for you. Okay, and I didn't keep any time limit also for that. You can take your own time and you can write the exam very leisurely. Clear? Yamini, I hope you will get 100% marks, 20 out of 20. Okay, so after writing the test, you just ping me and tell. Okay, how was your first time experience with online test? Okay,
yes, ma'am.
anyone to speak? Where is Manoj? Where is Manoj?
Left. He's left, madam.
He left. Oh, okay. Anyone to speak ma? No one? So whether everyone following the classes? Please tell your friends also ma. Please tell your friends that there is an on-time test, very simple test. By hearing the word test, don't get afraid. Okay, it's a very simple test. So let us close our session. We will discuss we will end this topic 1B exercise in my next class. Okay, I will complete 1B exercise in my next class. All the best to all of you. I hope you all will clear the test with excellent marks. Okay, bye ma. Bye all of you.
Bye, madam.
Bye Ra.